They're solar freaking roadways. What do they want from me? Well, they're solar freaking roadways. Okay, so actually this time, what is it? It's technology that replaces all roadways, parking lots, sidewalks, driveways, tarmacs, bike paths, and outdoor recreation surfaces with solar panels. And not just lifeless, boring solar panels. Smart, microprocessing, interlocking, hexagonal solar units. No more useless asphalt and concrete just sitting there baking in the sun, needing to be repaved and filling with potholes that ruin your axle alignment on your sweet ride, bro. These are intelligent solar panels. Replaced a panel at a time if damaged or malfunctioning. They're covered with a new tempered glass material that has been designed and tested to meet all impact, load, and traction requirements. Oh, and did I mention that they're also solar panels? They generate electricity, they generate capital, they pay for themselves, and they keep paying more because we're not gonna run out of sun for like 15 billion years. That lowers the cost of energy, unlike those bills in the mail that keep going up. And it's clean energy. Everyone can theoretically drive an electric car with no pollution and a minimal carbon footprint. Can you imagine how good our cities would smell? How much healthier we'd all be? Excuse me, young man, am I being led to believe that this thing is some sort of thing? Yes, it's a thing, a real thing. And clean energy is only its primary function. Grab a notepad, because this is where it gets interesting. For those in the north, the panels use energy they collect to power elements to keep the surface temperature a few degrees above freezing. They're heated. No more ice and snow on roads causing traffic delays, accidents, and injury. No more shoveling your driveway and sidewalk. No salt corroding your car or wasting tax money on snow removal. And you can ride your bike or drive your motorcycle all year round. Whoa! Every panel has a series of LED lights on the circuit board that can be programmed to make lanescape designs, warning signs, parking lot configurations, whatever. These roads never have to have lanes repainted, just reprogrammed to whatever we choose or whatever works best. Imagine a highway road lighting up ahead of you. How much safer it would be to drive at night. There'd be improved visibility for pilots landing on solar landing strips. Imagine walking onto a solar recreation court and choosing a sports configuration. Want to play basketball? Cool. Kids want to play hopscotch and foursquare? Awesome. Ball hockey? Done. And with LED lights under your feet, it's gonna look like freaking Tron out there. But real, because this is the real world. Whoa. But these panels are also pressure sensitive, so they can detect when large debris like branches or boulders have fallen onto the road, or if an animal is crossing. It can warn drivers with LED text to slow down for an obstruction. I'm very, environmentally conscious. Good, because solar roadways use as much recycled material in their production as possible.
You like quadcopters? Satisfied with a few hundred grams of payload? Pleased with a few minutes of airtime? Charging of batteries is cool? Really? What about some more? Here is the next generation quadrocopter solution. More airtime, more payload, more speed and more style. My name is Holger Willeke. I'm the inventor of Year, the quadrocopter concept of the future. The problem of today's quadrocopters is very simple. Well engineered, but not enough power. You have to find a way to combine weight and power. And that is impossible to do only with batteries. Accumulators are heavy and you have to recharge every few minutes. Even with the most expensive devices, you won't fly any longer than a few minutes. So what can you do? You need more power. The power of a combustion engine.
Hi, I'm Jack.
And I'm Davis.
We're two brothers from Austin, Texas who are passionate about hydration. As athletes, we've often needed to track our water consumption, but solving that problem led us to a more important question. How much water should we be drinking? Drinking too much or too little can be dangerous, and the reality is that everyone's optimal level of hydration depends on a bunch of different factors that are unique to you. Your workout schedule, age, gender, location, your sweat rate, and even the weather are all key to the equation. In the past, only elite athletes had access to the tools needed to dial in optimal hydration. That is, until now. Introducing Trago, the world's first connected smart water bottle.
The Trago cap fits on any standard wide-mouth water bottle and connects to an app on your smartphone using Bluetooth Low Energy. It runs on a commonly found replaceable battery because the last thing you need is another device to charge. It uses patent-pending ultrasonic technology to measure how much you drink. With the Trago cap, you know exactly how much you should be drinking each day. More than that, the app automatically builds and adjusts your profile by seamlessly connecting to other wearable devices, so there's no extra work for you. Imagine recording a long workout on another app or device, and then immediately understanding how to hydrate for proper recovery. Or using the app to know just how much water to drink leading up to a marathon or football game.
This is Chip, the world's first $9 computer.
Connect over composite, VGA, or HDMI.
Chip does computer things. Save your documents to Chip's onboard storage. Surf the web over Wi-Fi. Play games with a Bluetooth controller. But wait, there's more.
This is Pocket Chip. It makes Chip portable. Take Chip, put it into Pocket Chip, and you can use Chip anywhere.
You might have noticed, Chip looks a little different than every other computer.
Because we built Chip to fit into your projects.
And we're so excited to see what you can do with a $9 computer.